Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart OPPO Find X9 Ultra. Okay, we have two methods how we can do it. First, and the recommended method is reboot through the power menu. To do it, we need to click the power key and volume up at the same time to launch our power menu, just like that. And now simply drag this white ball into the restart function, and if you release the finger, your device will be turned off, and after a few seconds it will be automatically turned on again, and our device will be ready to use. That's the first method. And when it comes to the second, it's called the force restart, and to do it, again we gotta use the power key and volume up, but this time we gotta keep holding both keys until our screen turns off and the phone vibrates. This method is recommended, for example, when our device is lagged, frozen, basically when it's unresponsive and we cannot do anything. So hold power key and volume up, keep holding, and when the phone vibrates, you can release both buttons. As you can see, we have the OPPO logo, and within a few seconds our device will be turned on and we will see our home screen. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.